Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to show you a brand new 2021 Harris Crowne. This is our 25-foot version of the Crowne. We turned on the under deck lighting. So there's RBG under deck lighting. You can see it's changing colors, and you can keep it at one color or change it all the way through. It's got the nice black. Just a beautiful looking pontoon. Let's go on the interior and check it out. Welcome to the interior of the boat. This is the single lounger version. We'll get to that in just a second, but nice seating all the way around. We did option this with the JL audio, so upgraded stereo system. It's got a subwoofer that's tucked up underneath here. Because of how the tunes are, we got some nice storage in the floor. Little C-deck on there. Nice deep storage to put some different things. The flooring's really great, stain resistant, mold resistant. If you get water on it, dries up really fast. We've got the nice, obviously the tower up here. We got some screens up here that can be taken out if you'd like. You got the lighting. This is a power tower, so you can hit a button and the whole tower will go straight down as well. If you come on in, just talked a little bit about the helm here. We got the nice high back stool. You got some armrests, super comfortable. And then we did the medallion dashes. So these are all touchscreen dashes in the middle, and on the right-hand side, you can control your lighting from there. You can see all your information about the engine. And then you also have your controls here for the stereo. As we come to the back here, we do have seating all the way around, which is nice. This is also a powered backrest, so it can move forward and then it can move back depending on which way you want to stand or sit. We've got some nice seating back here. This does lift up and reveals the changing room. This can pop up. There's a zipper on it. Use it for a changing room. Battery switches back here. There is a table with it as well, and you can choose where you want to put that. There's a cooler underneath this seat, so you can just lift that up, put some ice in there, you're good to go. Ski tow bar. And then finally, we option this with the Mercury Verado 350 horsepower engine. So plenty of power to do anything you want, tubing, skiing, wakeboarding, whatever you want. This boat's sitting on our Rogers show floor if you want to come on down. And as always, click the like button and click to subscribe.